Hello again, bar bugs, and welcome back to Savored Not Slurped. I am your bartender, Tristan Ogrim Buckley. Now, the Margarita is the most popular cocktail in the world, but it's not the most popular cocktail in Mexico. That honor goes to the Paloma. A Paloma is a very simple highball, so we're going to be done pretty quickly. Grab yourself a Collins glass. Or whatever glass you think works. If you want to be tropical and exotic, grab a hurricane glass. Fill it with ice. Add 1.5 ounces of tequila, preferably blanco, because silver, blanco, plata, unaged tequila has the strongest tequila flavor, which will cut through mixers the best. And if you can find it, grapefruit soda. If you can't find grapefruit soda, you can substitute grapefruit juice and club soda mixed together. I'm going to garnish that with a lime just to make it look pretty. Add a straw, and of course serve. The Paloma, the most popular tequila drink in Mexico. Savor, don't slurp, and cheers. Thanks for watching this week's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Check out the website if you'd like some more information. Remember, savor, don't slurp. Cheers!